Would you eat a bowl of cereal every day year in and year out and nothing else? Just as we need a variety of foods for our good health, so do our pets. Commercially prepared foods are convenient and fast, but why not make fresh dog food prepared by you at least once a week or more? Your pet also deserves a variety of foods in his meals for health and happiness. Like so many of our food products, commercial dog food came about as a way to help feed our canines the right nutritional ingredients and enjoy the convenience of feeding our pets. Over time there seems to have been a decline in either preparation or quality of animal feed, whereby veterinary nutritionists and pet owners have encouraged and demanded healthier foods for our pets. There is a lack of particular nutrients in commercial dog foods that seem to affect our pets with diabetes and other overweight diseases, allergies, and other health problems. People also seem to be experiencing the same problems with human convenience foods. Have you ever wondered if commercial pet food is truly good for your dog? Perhaps it is time for your pet to be treated with fresh dog food prepared by you. I learned a valuable lesson in one of my college courses, and I carry this bit of knowledge with me every day. At one time when prisoners were given bread and water, they could nutritionally live on this bread. Today, the prisoners of eating our modern bread would die of malnutrition within a short period of time. As you well know, economics is always in the picture. Mass-produced prepared foods for both humans and animals have to be made within a budget for companies to make a profit. There are times when shortcuts will be made in ingredients and we all suffer for it. Do you remember when you toasted your bread for breakfast and it caught on fire? As consumers, we learned that one of the shortcuts in bread to help with fiber content was replaced with sawdust. Some of the bread loaves had too much sawdust. Therefore, the bread slices flamed in the toaster. Why are our pets getting sick if we are feeding them good food? It is very pleasant to sit down to dinner with choices of meat and vegetables, or a bowl of soup, or an appetizer of cheese and a refreshing beverage. Variety is the spice of life. Take control of the ingredients that are being placed into pet chow. Why not consider cooking homemade fresh dog food prepared by you for your pet? You lovingly prepare healthy foods for your family. Why not do the same for your pet? Consider improving the health and vitality of your dog with fresh dog food prepared by you. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid, and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.